that other doggone fruit, man? Hey.
What?
And what I do now?
Why are these hoes always liking all your stuff on all these social media sites?
Here you go. Who?
You know who I'm talking about, Myra's old ass.
Bro, that's my aunt.
Bruh.
Oh, now that's your aunt? I'm tired of all these old raggedy ass hoes, Darnell.
Yeah, whatever.
What did you want anyway?
Don't worry about it. I'll figure it out.
Oh, so you already got somebody to help you, huh? I know you hear me.
I was trying to figure out what other fruit we were using for this smoothie. We did a smoothie challenge. I was trying to figure that out.
Smoothie challenge? Wrong chick.
Mother.
You got me all the way messed up. You got something you want to get off your chest? I'm waiting.
You wait. Let me tell you what your problem is. See, your problem is you always sweating me. I ain't got no control over them hoes that's on Facebook. And you know what? I'm sick of you being on my back about it. Yeah. I said it. Day in and day out. Same old drama. Blah, 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 blah. Why this girl like you? I don't know. Ask her. Hey, man. What's wrong with y'all females, man? Y'all always coming to us with that bull.
Oh, hell no!
You know what? I'm done talking. You got 3 seconds to get out my face. 3, 2.
Darnell. I'm waiting.
Man.
Damn!
Gee, hard as hell. Straight like that. Oh, Lord.
I'm a cook. I'm a clean. It's on the dresser. The big one. Yeah.